Welcome to Cybersecurity. My name is Sally, and today I am going to discuss another important concept from the web app security. Imagine this. You build a strong fortress, walls are tall, gates are secure, guards are alert. But what if someone convinces your guard to open the gate willingly because they exploited the rules of how your fortress operates? That, in essence, is what we call business logic abuse in cybersecurity. 1. What is business logic abuse? Business logic abuse is not about exploiting a software bug like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Instead, it is about exploiting the intended functionality of an application in ways the developers didn't anticipate. The attacker doesn't need to break in through code injection. They simply manipulate the logic, the workflow, or the rules of the application to gain an unfair advantage. Think of it as cheating the system by following the rules differently than intended. 2. Real-world example: the e-commerce trick. Let's take a real-world scenario. An online store offers a buy one, get one free coupon. The developer assumes users will apply the coupon once, but a malicious user tweaks the requests and applies the coupon multiple times. Suddenly they're buying 10 products for the price of one. The system wasn't hacked in the traditional sense. The attacker abused business logic that wasn't designed with proper constraints. 3. Common types of business logic abuse. Price manipulation: changing product prices in the request before checkout. Example: item costs $500, but by modifying the logic, it gets added for $5. Authentication and authorization flaws: skipping steps in workflows. Example: accessing premium content by bypassing payment verification. Workflow bypass. Example: a banking app requires OTP verification before transfer. Attacker manipulates the workflow to skip OTP validation and directly process transactions. Resource abuse: exploiting business features for unintended use. Example: a free trial feature meant for one-time use is manipulated to get unlimited free accounts. Base conditions: rapidly sending multiple requests to manipulate logic. Example: redeeming a coupon multiple times by hitting submit in quick succession before the system updates. 4. Why is it dangerous? Unlike common vulnerabilities, business logic abuse is harder to detect and harder to fix. Traditional scanners like Burp Suite, Nessus, or automated vulnerability tools don't easily catch logic flaws. They rely on understanding human workflows and intentions. This means attackers often go undetected for a long time. Businesses may lose money, reputation, and customer trust before they even realize what's happening. 5. Famous case studies. Uber ride discounts: hackers once abused Uber's coupon system by stacking promo codes multiple times. They enjoyed unlimited free rides until Uber caught on. Airline ticketing abuse: attackers found ways to manipulate booking workflows such as skipping payment confirmation steps, leading to fraudulent or near-free tickets. 6. How to prevent business logic abuse. Threat modeling during design. Ask, how can someone misuse this feature? Developers need to think like attackers. Input and workflow validation: enforce strict checks at every stage of a transaction. Example: coupons should be validated server-side with limits. Authorization and role enforcement: every request must check whether the user is truly authorized. Rate limiting and monitoring: block repeated unusual requests like coupon redemption or login attempts. Penetration testing focused on logic: automated tools won't cut it. You need skilled penetration testers who simulate real user behaviors to uncover business logic flaws. 7. The key takeaway: business logic abuse is a silent threat. It doesn't always involve flashy exploits or malware. Instead, it manipulates the rules of the game itself. If developers don't think like attackers, they leave loopholes. If security teams don't test beyond the code, attackers will find these gaps. The damage is financial, reputational, and sometimes even legal. So remember, the next time you design or test an application, don't just ask, is the code secure? Ask instead, can someone misuse this logic against us? Because in cybersecurity, it's often not the hacker's strength, but the designer's blind spots that cause the biggest breaches. Thank you all for your time. I hope this session was informative for you.